Minista wa ugiteri wa thiini Dr. Fred Matiang'i ni arutite mukana kuri ari othe matari na marua makinyaniru ma gukorwo na micinga guku akiuga gugikinyaniria tariki 7 mweri wa 3 aria matagukorwo meruhitie marua mao ma gukorwo na mucinga ni makwoerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho.
You know, some people think these guns or these pistols around here is a toy you can play around with. It could make a difference between you are being present here today and being absent in the next minute. But people have to take this very seriously.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Murang'a mihango yao muthenya matura-ini matatu mwena wa Makuyu gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Maragwa ni ithararirio ni ikari makirurungana ni undu wa ciiko cia uhaguku wa ugiteri matura-ini ma Muhohoyo, Kanyoroku na Pundamilia. Mururungano uyu ukite thutha wa ciiko cia wikinae kuongerereka na njira nene thengia ya gukorwo na borithi mwena ucio.
Ociacia kondaratu taithia mugathe Uhuru wa Kenyatta araigirio uri araremwo ni wira wake ainuke huke mundu ngirenda ko. Thirikari nene ni rugoritie kamiti njeru ya ataramu iria igukorwo ikirora uria motungata ma ruhonge rwa NHIF mekugacirithio gutigirira Kenya ni magunika na mubango wa urigitani utari marihi makihuthira kadi ya NHIF.
In compliance with the President's directive of the 13th December last year, the Ministry of Health, in consultation with the NHIF board, has embarked on the process of transforming and repositioning NHIF as a key player in Kenya's journey towards UHC.
Na kuigoti-ini ria Kiambu ekwirwo eri aria marakuruhanio na gikuo kia mwonjoria Mary Wambui ni makinyiro igoti-ini mbere ya mucirithania Christine Moel uria wathanire mathie na mbere kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Muthaiga na Pangani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wanjiru wa Boro.